Okay students, let's discuss about the second type of quadrilateral, that is kite. Now kite is look like a kite only. It is little bit longer from bottom side and it has only two features. What are the two features? Adjacent sides are equal. Adjacent means the neighboring sides. Like you can see AB and AD are equal and BC and CD are equal. I am making a different symbol so that you can differentiate that these two are not equal. So here we will write that what are two equals? AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to DC. Clear about this? Now next is diagonal intersect at 90 degree. You can see that this 90 degree will be formed. Intersect, this word is very interesting. There are two things, intersect and bisect. What are the difference between intersect and bisect? Intersect means it cuts. Two lines meet at a point or it cut each other. Bisect means when two lines cut each other, they divided into equal parts. You can see that this is two equal parts. But when we talk about this AC diagonal, there are two diagonals, BD and AC. Now BD, when we talk about it, divided into two parts, BO and OD. But in this case, OA is shorter and OC is longer. So we will not say bisect here, we say intersect. Only in the case of kite, trapezium, they don't have diagonal. They have diagonals, but there is no property based on it. But in case of kite only, we called as intersect. Rest all the types have bisect. So diagonal intersect each other at 90 degrees. So you can see the 90 degrees form. Now when 90 degrees form means angle AOD. AOD. If this is 90, this is also 90. And if this is 90 because of linear pair. And if this is 90, this is also 90. And this is also. So all the four angles are 90. AD equal to angle AOB equal to AOB equal to B angle BOC equal to angle COD. Clear about kite? Now let's talk about parallelogram. Now when we talk about parallelogram, the word itself says parallel. If we divide these two parts, parallel. So first thing comes to your mind that the opposite sides are parallel. AB is parallel to DC and BC is parallel to AD. It looks like a tilted rectangle. If you see the rectangle and you just tilted it, it will look like a parallelogram. Yes, so opposite sides are parallel. First thing. Second thing, opposite sides are parallel. So we will write the condition for it. Parallel and equal also. You can see that they are of same length. So how they are equal? DC is equal to AB, AD is equal to BC. Now let me write it in the expression form. AB is equal to DC or AB is parallel to DC. Parallel and equal. Similarly, BC is equal to AD and BC is parallel to AD. This is the first condition. Now second condition says opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Now we mark angles. Angle D is equal to angle B and angle AB equal to angle C. Students, whatever diagram I am drawing, please draw the same diagram. Then only you will easily remember. So angle A is equal to angle C, angle B is equal to angle D. Or you can write AOC is equal to like that also. Now third condition, diagonals means AC and BD, bisect each other. Yes, so what the property says, diagonals bisect, just hold on for a minute. Yes, diagonal bisect each other. Now diagonal bisect, I told you bisect means it divided into two parts. So this part and this part are equal, this part and this part is equal. So how to write? AO is equal to OC, and they are not making a 90 degree also. It is tilted, so it is lesser, not equal to. AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to DO. Clear about this? So this is, we have completed the types of quadrilateral, the basic three. In next period, whenever we discuss about the types of parallelograms. Clear? Thank you.